Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can go ahead and set up permissions at a site level on your SharePoint site. So to do this, the quickest way is to head over to your cog wheel, come over to Site Permissions, and you want to go ahead and head over to Advanced Permission Settings. And now we can see these three groups, which were created when the site was created. We have the members group, which has the edit permission level. We have the owners, which have full control. And then we have the visitors, which just have read. So there are other permissions as well. If you want more information or want to be able to edit these permission levels, you can head over here to permission levels. But we're going to cover that in a different video. So in this one, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how we can go ahead and add members to each one of these three groups. So right now for our visitors group, there is no one here. So there is a group that we can use. Everyone except external users, and that will invite everyone that is within our organization. So we have, I think, 3 or 4 users that we created. And if we want to, we can actually include a personalized email once this invite goes out, or we can just unclick that. And then once we do that, everyone will be added. So now everyone who is in our organization at least has read to our site. And if we wanted to be able to give them edits where they can go in and make changes to folders and stuff like that, then we can go ahead and do that as well. But that is how you guys go ahead and you add members at a site level to grant them permissions.